Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch for LTE eSIM. First, make sure your Galaxy Watch is charged to at least 50% to avoid interruptions during the setup process. Next, grab your smartphone and ensure the Galaxy Wearable app is installed and fully updated. Finally, confirm with your mobile carrier that they support eSIM for wearables and that you have an active plan ready to go. This preparation will make the connection smooth and easy. Now, let's activate that eSIM. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. From the main screen, tap on Watch Settings, then look for and select Mobile Plans. Here, you'll be guided through the activation process. You might need to scan a QR code that your carrier provided or manually enter an activation code. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions to get your watch connected to your mobile network. Once you've entered the activation details, take a moment to review the terms and conditions from your carrier and confirm your chosen plan. The eSIM will then take a few minutes, typically between 2 and 5 minutes, to provision and connect to the network. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your watch and smartphone often resolves minor glitches. For persistent problems, don't hesitate to reach out to your mobile carrier's customer support for assistance. Congratulations! Your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 LTE is now fully connected and ready for standalone use. You can now make calls, send messages, and even stream your favorite music directly from your wrist, all without needing your smartphone nearby. Enjoy the freedom of leaving your phone behind during workouts or quick errands. Your watch will seamlessly keep you connected, allowing you to monitor your fitness and receive important notifications wherever you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.